disco, there's nothing in it.
It's a very small box.
There's probably a canyon in there.
So who?
Is that it?
Want to open the box?
Dive in, gentlemen. Dive in.
Hang on, I want to put this on.
We still can't see anything. Still we can't see
There's a
anything.
lot of bubbles.
There's a lot of bubble.
Oh, a reassuring amount of bubble wrap.
Okay, so we should. There's one fork. We don't know which one's which, though, do we?
Is the other fork?
Is that very similar?
Quite similar, okay.
Ooh, look at this. I don't know which one is which.
Wow.
Pretty stunning.
Is there a name on it?
Is there a name?
Is there a name? Not
God, we have no idea whose is whose.
They're not dissimilar.
No, they're not dissimilar.
Okay, should we put this on the floor?
Did you take it?
See if there's anything else inside.
What size does that look, Barna? One's a 56, and the other one's a...
Very similar.
Pretty good as well.
We look like brothers in arms here.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we'll just sort out those bits in due course. Oh, you get a
They'll be the same.
This is a sort of a European twin situation. Glasses, similar colours.
I think Barna's busy unwrapping out the back.
That's everything.
Ah, that looks like that's a 56, isn't it, I think? Is that a 56, Barna?
There's a slight difference in size.
Did you tell them in Dutch?
What did we say your influences were, Hans? I can't remember. We did...
Yeah, he said something.
They are very different though. Look.
Because this has a bit of Dutch colour scheme in it, with red, white and blue.
And that one has more green.
Yeah.
It's very different.
I don't know! No, I don't know.
I think that one on the left there is Hans's. I think the head...
Slightly bigger.
Yeah, the head tube is longer on that one.
But we should measure it.
Careful with the scissors, Barna. No pressure.
So we think this is the smaller one.
Yeah, the top one is the biggest.
That's Hans's, I think. Yes. What did we say your influences are, Martin? I can't
The
remember.
paintings that we said, so probably.
Oh, yes, we
probably
gave-
white,
we-
which are more green and blue.
We
I
gave him the
suspect.
artist, didn't we? Of what was his name? Peter.
Peter Land.
Oh, yeah. I love that painting that you used. Cool.
These scissors.
Scissors, Barna.
There's one more in the studio.
Oh wow! My God!
Ah, that's pretty stunning. Did you have your name on it? 56. That's yours.
That'll be a saint. That'll be a saint. They put a saint that's relevant to the day.
So this is the 56 times 56.5. Is that yours? Is the bigger one? Is that right? Yeah.
Good Lord!
Oh wow, they've done a good job.
Look at that.
Look at this.
Like, a picture of you.
Oops, sorry.
You do a few photos. Oh, get it with the master guys. They'll be happy.
No, I'm not.
You could take that one. We could take that one off there. You see that one?